So, for my introduction for the audience, this is Madhu Nahata. I'm based in Indore and I'm the owner and head chef at Ovens Up. We are manufacturers and suppliers of wellness and energy bars, and we supply it to major airports of India and also to some of the hotels and hospitals. So in case if you want to try one of them, just visit our website www.ovensup.com. You can follow me on Ovens Up by Madhu on Instagram for really easy recipes, but which are like, yes, I get these reviews out of the world. Also, you can follow me on my Facebook page in the name of Ovens Up. Also have a YouTube channel, but I'm really not very active. I'm not a everyday video person. Okay, so coming back to today's recipe, I have 4 partners, and believe me, these 4 partners are like one of the best chefs. Although they have never entered the kitchen, probably this is the first time they are entering the kitchen with me, and they are across time zones. We have people from Pacific time zone and we have people from India. So it's almost brunch time. It's about 10ish in California. We have 2 brilliant engineers, one from Google and the other one from Climate Corp. And we have 2 people from India, one from Chhattisgarh, the steel capital of India, Raipur, Mr. Nitesh Nahata. And we have Mr. Nilesh Chajet, one of the best contractors in the city. If you want to get your streets made, your roads made, you need JCB machines, this is the person to contact.
Thank you.
We are together here today to create Paneer Lazeez. I would want each of you to just tell a bit about yourself. So I'm going to start with Chef Nitin Nahata in the Silicon Valley.
So, again, everybody, Nitin Nahata here. I live here in the Silicon Valley with my wife and son. In terms of cooking, as Chef Madhu mentioned, we haven't entered much in the kitchen before, but today I was really inspired by Chef Madhu and what she's done with Ovens Up in the past few years. Looking at her Instagram page and her Facebook page really inspired me to take this challenge on and learn a beautiful and really delicious paneer delicacy. So really excited to.
Thank you, Chef Nitin. Today everybody is going to be a chef. Although we are not wearing chef hats, but most of us are wearing aprons. Even if we are not, we all have that mental chef hat on our heads today. So next मैं जिनके पास जा रही हूँ वो है Steel Capital of India से a very hardcore businessman and a gym person. He is a person who gyms every day, every evening. He runs, he goes up and down the stairs, he does push-ups, he does pull-ups, whatnot, and he's the person for nutrition. So we are very proud to have him on the show. Nitesh Nahata, over to you, Chef. Hi Chef. So आप मुझे बताइए आज आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा होने वाला है to enter the kitchen. I think आप तो स्टील वाले बंदे हो, so it's going to be really different for you.
हाँ, मैं रात को तो पहली बार ही किचन में आया हूँ. मॉर्निंग में आता हूँ ग्रीन टी बनाने के लिए बस.
Okay, so this nutrition person actually जो इतना focus है, he just enters for green tea. And तो क्या आपको कोई cooking experience रहा है पहले apart from green tea mixing?
बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं, but हाँ मैगी बना लेता हूँ कभी-कभी.
Okay, so Maggie, that's 2 minutes, right? So how excited are you, Chef Nitesh?
बहुत ज़्यादा क्योंकि अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, बाहर खाने जाते नहीं हैं.
Yes.
बहुत जबरदस्त बनाने वाला हूँ.
बिल्कुल. और I think आपके दोनों बच्चे और wife, I think they are going to be really super excited. और I think आज रात को being Jains, I know you are a Jain family and usually आप लोग रात को नहीं खाते, but today's recipe everybody is gonna hit upon it.
बिल्कुल पक्का.
Yes. Thank you very much, Chef Nitin, Chef Nitesh, for joining. I'm going right again to Silicon Valley to Chef Akash Bordia. He's a person from Google. I'm just waiting for him. Chef Akash, are you here? Okay, so he'll be joining in a second. So I'm going to Chef Nilesh. He's from the food capital of India. और ये जो बंदा है, जबरदस्त बंदा है. I'll tell you. Okay, he is यारों का यार. Okay, and he's a guy कोई भी काम कराना हो ना दुनिया में, call him. Although मैं इनका नंबर शेयर नहीं करने वाली हूँ आज, but he happens to be my school senior as well, and we are related somehow also. And I'm very excited कि आज शेफ नीलेश को हम किचन में लेकर आए. शेफ नीलेश, can you please give a brief introduction?
Hi, this is Nilesh Charge from Indore, the food capital of India. इससे पहले किचन में मेरा इत्तेफाक सिर्फ कुछ लंच या डिनर के लिए था. आज पहली बार यहाँ आया हूँ. It's a nice place. And all credit goes to Chef Madhu Nahata, Ovensa.
Thank you so much, Chef Nilesh. आपसे और हम बात करेंगे about Indore because all of us have a connection to Indore. And you are going to talk about how it is called food capital of India. अभी हमने देखा शेफ नेहा भी इंदौर बोलकर गई है, तो इसके बारे में आपसे और बातचीत करेंगे. We have Chef Akash from Silicon Valley, San Jose. Hey, the Google guy. Guys, if you are using Google Cloud, he is the person. He is one of the architects there. He is the sales engineer. Hi, guys. Everyone say hi to Chef Akash. So over to you, Akash. Can you give a small introduction?
Thank you, Chef Madhu. I hope you can hear me. We had to have technical issues because I am here in Silicon Valley. So, hi everyone. My name is Akash Bodia. I'm based in San Jose, also called Silicon Valley. It's a beautiful day in Northern California, 74 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe 15-20 degrees centigrade. My cooking skills are great according to me. On a scale of 0 to 10, it's probably 10, but my wife would say it's in the other direction with a negative sign. So I'm really excited. Happy Teachers Day to everyone and all the cooks who have cooked midnight snacks with me, especially the instant noodles after midnight. You know who you are. I'm referring to you from childhood to right now. And this one is dedicated to you.
Okay, that's awesome. Thank you for the lovely introduction, guys. And people are surely excited after listening and seeing all of you, what great personalities are gonna cook this Paneer Lazeez today. Before we move on to the recipe, I want to thank Amul on each of us's behalf for giving this opportunity to be a part of 50 awesome chefs of India, to do such live and such great promos throughout 24 hours and before also, and for sending us the awesome products. Thank you very much, Amul. And so being Teachers Day today, I am going to dedicate my show, this entire cooking show today, to my school. I studied in St. Raphael's, Indore. And one thing that my school has taught me, because it's a convent school and convent schools are pretty strict. So there is only black and there is only white. There is right or wrong. Usually हम सुनते हैं, लोग बोलते हैं moral of the story. ठीक है, it has become a phrase. But in my school or any convent for that matter, most of them, we have moral science as a subject. I and my friends really did not realize that every Thursday moral science class होती क्यों है? There are all those scoring subject था in a way, but ये होती क्यों है? But that thing ingrained in us. Because of that, we learned that black or white ही होता है. Gray area के लिए कोई जगह ही नहीं life में. That is how none of us, believe me, each and every Raphaelite from Indore doesn't know how to give excuses. We all know how to win. Even if we fall, we can rise. So that's my dedication. Thank you all my school teachers, staff members, cleaners, helps, and sports teachers, my dear friends, and my class teachers who have made me this confident today that I'm able to speak to a confident this audience this big, And in the past, I have done sessions for Amul, and every time I have got views of 4 lakh, 5 lakh. So this confidence and this ability to reach people and to stick to right in life and stick to black and white is all that I owe to my school and my parents who took this decision to put me in that particular school. So thank you, Raphaelites, and we move to our recipe. Okay, so our recipe today is Paneer Lazeez. It's a quick, easy, and the most delicious recipe which can be paired easily with chawal. या आप इसको पेयर कर सकते हैं राइस के साथ, पुलाव के साथ कर सकते हैं, आप इसको ब्रेड के साथ कर सकते हैं, आप पीटा ब्रेड के साथ कर सकते हो, आप टॉर्टिया के साथ कर सकते हो, आप तंदूरी रोटी, नान, या आप इसको चिप्स के साथ भी खा सकते हो, एज ए टॉपिंग भी यूज कर सकते हो. सो इट्स अ I would call this recipe is multi-talented, okay? Like all the audience, the beautiful audience who's watching us. So everyone can shift their focus on the ingredients now and can start the stove. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly give you a run of my ingredients. I hope it is visible. So I'm gonna quickly show you what all ingredients I'm gonna use. सब लोग अपना stove like we can keep our stoves on slow heat. Okay. सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता देती हूँ जो vegetables हम इसमें add करने वाले हैं. So I'm gonna use bell peppers. I'm gonna use onions, tomatoes. I'm gonna use about a cup and a half of paneer. Okay, this I've cubed. Apart from that, I have some ghee here and I have fresh cream here. Okay, and then I have salt and sugar, जो कि regular हमारा you know we put in every recipe. Salt and sugar है. कुछ chopped green chilies है. I have some onion garlic paste. I have cashew nuts and I have some ketchup also. I'll tell you how all this is going to help. I have some milk in a beautiful bottle here and I have all the dry Indian spices. Haldi is not what we're going to use today. We're going to use zeera, we're going to use hing, we're going to use coriander powder, some garam masala and red chili powder. So going to the recipe now. Sachin, can you help me? Okay, so going to the recipe now. First of all, is my pan visible? Remove this. Okay, so everybody, let's put the oil or ghee, whatever you're using. I'm going to use Amul ghee because it gives a lot of flavor. I'm using about 2 to 3 tablespoons of Amul ghee. I'm putting it in my heated pan. Okay? So this is the ghee that I have put. इसको 2 मिनट के लिए मैं, not even 2 minutes, just for a few seconds गरम होने दूंगी. Everyone's focus on the pan. Cameramans, please on the pan. Okay. So जब तक ये heat हो रहा है, I'm gonna start putting all the spices one by one. Other chefs, you can slide in all the spices when I am done putting the spices. ठीक है? मैं आपको instruct कर दूंगी आपको कब डालना है. Okay, so initially we're gonna start putting hing. सब लोग hing डाल सकते हैं, a pinch of hing if you have it. In case if you don't have it, just skip it. Okay, but hing gives a very good flavor. Audience, I'm not able to take your questions right away, but later on when I go to Facebook, I'm gonna answer each and every question. Now ये almost गरम हो गया. अगर आपका pan गरम नहीं हुआ है तो थोड़ा सा आप उसको उसकी heat बढ़ा दीजिए, medium पे ले आइए. Now add about a teaspoon of zeera. My pan is not very hot because it is not yet sizzled, so I'm gonna increase the heat. I'm going step by step slowly so that all of us can be on the same page. अगर किसी का ज़्यादा एकदम से sizzle होने लगता है तो please lower the heat. Now I'm gonna put my heat on medium now again because it has started sizzling. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it on slow again. So if it has sizzled, put it on slow. अगर एकदम से flame ज़्यादा लगता है, heat लगता है, बीच में आप बंद भी कर सकते हो. Okay, I have this Kitchen King masala. In case if you don't have this, you can also add pav bhaji masala. That also gives a very good flavor to our recipe. So I'm gonna start with this. Okay, so everyone, you can just go for spices after a few seconds. I'll let you know when to add because all of you are gonna just slide everything together. मैंने सबसे पहले Kitchen King डाला है. अब मैं डाल रही हूँ coriander powder, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Coriander powder is the, you know, the main spice of any Indore style recipe. अब मैं इसमें डालने वाली हूँ red मिर्ची. ये आप अपने टेस्ट के हिसाब से इसको एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. I am putting about 1 teaspoon and also I am putting about 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. So this is what is my seasoning. quickly give it a stir. Guys, everyone put your spices in the pan. एक साथ आप डाल दीजिए, sugar और salt को छोड़ दीजिए. Okay, now I'm gonna put cashew nuts. I have about 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts. Everyone in the background, please be quiet. Now I'm gonna add green chilies. Yes, everyone put cashew nuts. Spices के बाद डाल दीजिए. Cashew nuts डालने के बाद green chili डाल दीजिए. Flame एकदम slow पे रखिए. अगर लग रहा है जल रहा है नीचे से तो बंद कर लीजिए. Now quickly add your onions. I have used about 2 onions here. Okay, ये आप डाल दीजिए. साथ में आप डाल दीजिए bell peppers. Okay, green bell peppers. Okay, quickly give it a stir. थोड़ा सा आप फ्लेम को मीडियम पे कर सकते हैं. Because we don't have much time, we have to finish in our slot time. Try to at least. तो इसको आप मिक्स कर लीजिए अच्छी तरह से. ठीक है, everyone together. Who's this? Okay, Chef Nitesh, can you focus on your pan properly, please? Okay, yes, cool. Okay, I can see everyone's pan. Okay, yes. So जब तक थोड़ा सा इसकी आप फ्लेम बढ़ा दीजिए, मीडियम और हाई के बीच में रखिए, बट इसको आपको चलाते रहना है, हिलाते रहना है इसको, so that सारे अनियंस एक दूसरे से वो जो चिपके हुए रहते हैं वो अलग हो जाएंगे. And why we add bell peppers in the beginning is usually सब लोग इसको बाद में डाल देते हैं, but why I prefer putting it in the beginning, because bell peppers का taste कभी भी तभी अच्छा आता है when you put it in the beginning with the onion. That gives the best flavor. Chef Nitesh, you are a person who actually, Chef Nitesh from Raipur.
Yes.
Yes, आप तो nutrition पे बहुत focus रखते हैं. Can you tell me about the vegetables that we are using today? Anything about bell peppers or onions? आपका diet कैसा रहता है?
In fact, I'm using the capsicum this time.
Okay. हाँ.
और ये येलो आता है, रेड आता है.
कौन सा न्यूट्रिशन, मतलब इसमें क्या ज्यादा रहता है? कौन सा विटामिन आप बता रहे हैं?
विटामिन सी रहता है इसमें.
विटामिन सी. ओके, सो आई थिंक इसको हमें एवरी डे, अभी बिकॉज ये कोरोना के टाइम पे वी ऑल नीड टू इंक्रीज आवर इम्यूनिटी, तो हमें आई थिंक इसको ऐड करना चाहिए अपने डाइट में.
Exactly.
Yes, Chef Nitesh, do you think हम इसमें दूसरे कलर के बेल पेपर्स, रेड कैप्सिकम, येलो कैप्सिकम वगैरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं? अवेलेबल हो तो
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. इनफैक्ट रेड जितना रेड सबसे ज्यादा विटामिन सी रहेगा.
ओके.
येलो में तो उसके बाद कम रहेगा. ग्रीन में सबसे कम होता है.
Wow, that's a great insight, everyone. Audience, remember this, what Chef Nitesh has told, कि red capsicum या bell pepper has the highest vitamin C. And next is yellow, and the third one is green. That is why green is the less costliest, I think. इसी reason से होगा. So I'm going back to my dish. Okay. So सब अपना flame थोड़ा सा high पे कर लीजिए, medium और high के बीच में कर लीजिए. Chef Nitin in Silicon Valley, your pan looks awesome. Your pan.
Thank you, Chef Madhu.
Yeah, cameraman, can you focus on Chef Nitin, please? Yes, and you look like a pro now. So, Chef Nitin, you have traveled across the world. You have traveled to so many islands. Last time I was seeing your pictures in Aruba, and I don't know where you went. Alaska gaye the. So many mind-blowing places. I know your wife is the one who was behind your life to take you on holidays. But आपका इतने सारे cuisines आपने taste किए. Quickly, just tell me, what is it that you like about other cuisines, and how special is Indian cuisine?
Yeah, I was saying Indian cuisine, after trying all the cuisines of the world with so much travel, I certainly go back to Indian cuisine always as my most favorite. And
wow, that's awesome. जिसने इतना travel किया है.
And my awesome Indian cook too. So the main thing is there is a special connection to India. As well as, I think the flavors that are there in Indian cuisine, you just don't find in any other kind of cuisine. I guess.
Yes, That's awesome. We love Indian cuisine. सब लोग अपना heat stove का कम कर लीजिए. I think our onions are done. Audience, आप देख सकते हैं. Almost हमको इस level पे लाना है. बहुत ज़्यादा हमें इनको पकाना नहीं है, cook नहीं करना है, या हम Indian slang में बोलते हैं इसे गलाना नहीं है सब्जी को. We need chunks of it. Okay, so this is the right time. Everyone, I can see your pans and it looks perfect. Let's add in the tomatoes. It's turn for tomatoes to go in. The flame should be on low. Everyone, flame should be on low. Okay, so आप इसमें tomatoes डाल दीजिए. Okay.
It's looking colorful now.
Yes, it looks awesome, Chef Nitesh. It looks awesome and very nutritious. At this point of time, you can add onion garlic paste. At this point, you can add onion garlic paste. Pan में थोड़ा सा बीच में जगह कर लीजिए, like this. Okay, like this. Now you add the onion garlic paste if you had it in the beginning. I'll tell you the reason हम यहाँ पे इस तरह से क्यों डालते हैं. आप कभी भी किसी ढाबे पे जाएंगे ना, you'll realize कि flavor जो ginger और garlic का है वो बहुत ज्यादा आता है. It is not the only reason कि वो लोग बहुत ज्यादा इसको इस क्वांटिटी में डालते हैं. हम लोग उतना नहीं डाल सकते हैं. We cannot have that kind of food every day. इतना ज्यादा like you know aromatic food हम रोज के लाइफ में नहीं खा सकते हैं. And because we are making it at home, आप बीच में रेसिपी को इसके डालिए तो थोड़ी quantity of ginger garlic paste में it will give a lot of aroma and lot of taste. So flames again on a medium और high के बीच में रख दीजिए. And now add salt. At this point, everyone adds salt. Salt डाल दीजिए अपने टेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग. ऑडियंस, आई होप वी आर वेरी क्लियर टू यू. एंड अब आप डाल दीजिए शुगर एक्चुअली पूरे रेसिपी को शुगर मैंने सिर्फ 1/4 टीस्पून डाली है ऑडियंस. एंड माय पार्टनर्स इन दिस paneer lazeez recipe today so that it actually amalgamates the entire recipe, you know, and it also keeps the crunchiness. हमें crunchiness बरकरार रखनी है हमारे vegetables की. सबको एकदम से सौते नहीं कर देना है, बहुत बुरी तरह से कुक नहीं कर देना है. So इसलिए we'll add at this is the right time. जब आप salt डालते हैं उसके बाद आप sugar डालिए. So flame on medium high and cover it. Everyone cover it with a lid. Okay. मीडियम हाई या आप मीडियम पे भी जा सकते हो. कवर इट एवरीवन. शेफ नितेश, कवर इट. यस. ओके. सो सो इन द मीनवाइल व्हेन आवर सब्जी, ध्यान रखिएगा बीच में चाहे तो आप स्लो पे भी कर सकते हैं अपना गैस. ठीक है. जस्ट कीप कीप लुकिंग एट इट. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शेफ आकाश. शेफ आकाश, आर यू देयर with us?
Yes, I'm here, Chef Madhu.
Yes, Chef Akash, I know that you prefer vegan food, right? Lekin yes, but today we are making something out of milk products. So can you just give us very quickly how to make this into a vegan recipe?
Yeah, Chef Madhu. So I'm an aspiring vegan. I'm always in awe of vegan people, of how they manage without dairy products. I'm not a vegan myself, but if we were to make this particular delicacy as vegan, then we would substitute paneer with tofu. And yeah, if you're a Thai food eater, you would know that they use a lot of tofu. So that would add a Thai flavor to this whole preparation. Also for the milk, instead of cream or milk, you could use coconut milk, and that will give you a dairy substitute also. For ghee, you could substitute it with something like olive oil, and that makes it completely dairy free.
Wow. So in one paneer lazeez, we have a tofu lazeez now. That's a vegan recipe. So I think next time when we do something like this cooking marathon, we should try this. We should try this vegan version, Chef Akash. So again, back to our pans, everyone. Remove the lid, please. And just mix it. Give it a toss. It's almost getting done. अभी आप इसको लेड को हटा के इसको एक बार मिक्स कर लीजिए अच्छी तरह से. यस, सबकी सब्जी बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. इंदौरी लैंग्वेज में अगर मैं बोलूँ तो इट्स लुकिंग धांसू, you know. एंड मुझे यहाँ तक खुशबू आ रही है कैलिफोर्निया, रायपुर और इंदौर फूड कैपिटल से। थोड़ा सा मीडियम कर दीजिए, थोड़ा सा मीडियम कर दीजिए, मीडियम लो पे कर दीजिए। ओके, एंड बीच बीच में इसको हिलाते रहिए। आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक टू शेफ नीलेश, द कॉन्ट्रैक्टर in this whole recipe session. Hi Chef Nilesh, how's it going?
Yeah, it's going really fine. I'm enjoying.
You're enjoying. Acha. Tell me about Indore. Something about Indore. Indore को food capital क्यों बोलते हैं इतना? Like Neha was also raving about it. What is so special about Indore? Tell our audience.
Actually, it's about two things: the taste and the people. आपको यहाँ पर इतने प्यार से खिलाया जाता है और इतना खिलाया जाता है, इतना टेस्टी खिलाया जाता है कि आपको दुनिया के किसी कोने में वो टेस्ट नहीं मिल सकता जो इंदौर में है।
Awesome. That's such a wonderful thing to tell about your own city, and I think we all are proud Indauris. We all have connection. So all the people in the audience, if you ever have to visit Central India, you cannot miss Indore. For sure, you cannot. What do you say, Chef Nilesh?
Yeah, मतलब the taste, the food is ultimate. मतलब the सेव तो इंदौरी के प्लेट में होती है, उसके बगैर तो उसका ना नाश्ता होता है ना खाना होता है।
Yes, I wish we could do our next recipe as सेव की सब्जी।
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. Okay, everyone going back to the recipe. Yes, Chef Nilesh. Yes, you were telling me something.
You are very blessed. मतलब you are staying in Indore, so you are very blessed. क्योंकि खाना यहाँ से अच्छा दुनिया किसी को।
और आई थिंक जो भी लोग यहाँ पे रहकर गए हैं और जो यहाँ पे खाना बनाना सीख कर गए, दे बिकम द बेस्ट शेफ्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड।
यहाँ के खाने को यहाँ के लोगों को दुनिया में कोई नहीं बोल सकता।
Yes, correct. Going back to our pans, everyone. Okay, so this is about our recipe. Now we are gonna quickly add malai या क्रीम, जो भी आप यूज कर रहे हैं। यूएस में अगर आप हाफ एंड हाफ यूज कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव अमूल क्रीम अवेलेबल। आप इसमें मलाई डाल दीजिए, अबाउट 2 cups। आई एम गोना गिव अ क्विक रिकैप ऑफ द रेसिपी फॉर द ऑडियंस। हमने सबसे पहले घी, बटर, ऑयल जो भी आप प्रेफर करते हैं उसको गर्म किया, अबाउट 2 to 3 tablespoons। एवरीबडी स्टोव ऑन अ लो हीट पे, ठीक है। उसमें हमने हींग डाली है, जीरे का तड़का लगाया है। उसके बाद हमने कोरिएंडर पाउडर, किचन किंग मसाला, वो नहीं हो तो आप पाव भाजी मसाला डाल सकते हैं, कोरिएंडर पाउडर, गरम मसाला, रेड चिली पाउडर अकॉर्डिंग टू द हीट यू प्रेफर। वो डालते ही हमने कैश्यू नट्स डाले हैं इस रेसिपी में टू प्रोवाइड अ रॉयल टच। एवरीवन प्लीज कीप स्टडिंग योर रेसिपी, ओके। एंड उसके अलावा हमने इसके बाद हमने ग्रीन चिलीज डाली, एंड इमीडिएटली आफ्टर दैट वी हैव एडेड आवर बेल पेपर्स एंड वी हैव एडेड आवर ओनियंस। वो थोड़े से सौते हमें करने हैं। व्हेन दे आर क्रंची, दैट टाइम वी आर गोना ऐड टमेटोज। उसको हम सॉल्ट और शुगर के साथ सीजन करेंगे एंड देन उसको ढक देंगे रेसिपी को। ढकने के बाद 2 मिनट्स के बाद ओपन करके फिर अनियन गार्लिक पेस्ट डालेंगे बाय मेकिंग अ लिटिल डेंट हियर, बीच में हम डालेंगे एंड देन वी विल मिक्स इट अगेन, ओके। आफ्टर दैट जब ये सौते हो जाएगा, एवरीवन इन द बैकग्राउंड प्लीज बी साइलेंट। So after this we do not need to cover it again. जब ये सब्जी हमारी हाफ कुक हो जाएगी, बिकॉज हमें इसे बहुत कुक नहीं करना है, then we gonna add malai and now or ghee or cream or half and half that you have. Now is the time to add ketchup. Everyone put in the ketchup. Okay, I'll tell you why we are adding ketchup. हमने यहाँ पे क्या है, इस सब्जी में कोई ग्रेवी नहीं बनाई है, but we need a very smooth and very sweet and sour texture to it. Okay, हमने अभी तक सिर्फ sweet चीजें डाली है. We haven't really added anything which is sour. Okay, so the ketchup will be the right ingredient to make it sweet and sour. So I think most of the vegetables are ready. We have added सबका pan बहुत beautiful लग रहा है. Chef Nilesh, yes, can you bring the camera closer to the pan, please? Okay. Yeah. Yes, everyone, it looks perfect. Yes, Chef Akash, it looks so colorful, and Chef Nitesh, it's just right what you like, nutritious kind of food. And Chef Nitin, I know this is going to be an out of the world cuisine recipe for you. And
Most certainly.
yes, I think all the kids who are present watching you doing this live, I would like to name them: Ansh, Aditi, Suhana, and Parth, Yuvraj. We have Shreya, we have Purab, we have Vansh, we have Bhavya, and Geet. Everyone is here. They are so excited watching their fathers cook. So everyone in the audience, remember, each and everyone can cook, and people like engineers and hardcore businessmen जिन्होंने आज तक kitchen में entry नहीं मारी, they can make paneer lazeez and make your weekends awesome. So everyone, focus on your pans and ask your cameraman or someone to get the dish, the presentation dish. आप इसमें पनीर डाल दीजिए और इसको बंद कर दीजिए. एक बार अब इसको पनीर डाल दीजिए. इसमें पनीर डाल दीजिए.
Right now.
Yes, add the paneer. Add the paneer. And just give it a quick mix. Okay, now just close the flame. Flame बंद कर दीजिए. Okay, now quickly, this is done. Our recipe is done. Quickly pour it into our whatever dishes that you have taken out, crockery or whatever you have. Okay, so we are going to end the session very soon. I've just received a call from the co-host. So इसको जल्दी से आप डाल दीजिए अपने अपने जो भी आपने यहाँ पे यूज कर रहे हैं. It's okay if it is little messy. Messy food tastes much more better. सब लोग डाल दीजिए. Take it easy, everyone. ये डालने के बाद now let's just put थोड़ा सा हरा धनिया या जो भी गार्निशिंग आपने यूज कर रहे हैं, and let us just quickly go to our setups if you have created any. Okay, I'm gonna just quickly go to our setup. Everyone, go to your setups. Keep it the way you want. Open that. So I have my husband helping me here, and I need to keep giving him instructions continuously. So I'm just going to show you the setup that I have made today, and it is inspired by a dhaba, and I hope it looks beautiful to all of you in the audience. I hope you guys like it. So this is the final dish. I have served it with some roti, papad and some rice. So this is our paneer lazeez. Everyone's dish looks awesome. Chef Nitish, yours looks very colorful with all the roses that you have put around it. And Chef Nitin, I love yours because it has naan. It's one of my favorite parts of the most favorite part of the platter. Chef Nilesh, can you just go closer to your dish, please? Wow, it looks just awesome, and there's so much of lighting and glitter all around. And yes, Chef Akash, yes, it looks perfect. It looks just perfect. And yes, so we have our, yes, it looks, the platters look wonderful. And all of you guys, thank you so much. Chef Nilesh, Chef Nitin, Chef
Thanks a lot, Chef Madhu. Thanks a lot.
Yes, thank you very much for joining in.
The taste of India.